question from one of the kids I talked to. The message goes, what does it mean when a girl that is talking to you sits the same way you do? I was talking to a friend that we work with we work on music together that is really pretty, but she's taken. And I know sometimes when I sit in my chair laid back with my legs kind of apart, Al Bundy style, she does the same thing. Now what that's called isopraxism. It's a body language echo. What it is we tend to be like the people we're attracted to. And what I mean by that is we start to match their body language. Now sometimes it's a sexual attraction and sometimes it's not. You need to look for clusters when it comes to sexual attraction, but at the same time they are attracted to you, meaning they do like you at the very least. Two buddies sitting out bullshitting by a car will oftentimes mirror each other while they're talking. They'll sit at a pretty much 45-degree angle and they'll look a lot alike. Their body language, they'll take drinks at the same time, but it's kind of basic, but isopraxism is a big ordeal, and you can use it to build rapport. I used it not too long ago with a girl, just a couple nights ago, and I just kept doing that all night, just copying her face, looking at her, copying her shoulder movement as we would flirt back and forth, and she was really interested by the end of the night. She was preening quite a bit. She had a crush on me before, so I kind of knew about it, and wrapped her arms around my arms. Like, it was pretty basic. So you can use it to build a lot of attraction and a lot of comfort. I highly recommend it. Let me know your next questions, guys. Thanks. Have a good night.